Have you ever wondered why do you feel exhausted and emotionally drained after each day? You work hard and give your best, yet you feel unfulfilled and unsatisfied in the end of the day. If it sounds like you, stay with me because in this video you will learn the hidden reason you feel tired, and I also will give you one simple but powerful tool to regain your balance regardless the difficulty of your circumstance. The problem isn't that you are weak. The issue is that there is an unseen factor in your life that's slowly stealing your energy and takes away your joy. This is a factor called stress. Stress influences every aspect of your life and undermining your happiness. So what is stress actually? Why and when do you experience stress? You experience stress every time when life happens against what you expecting. In other words, you feel stress when you get what you don't want instead of getting what you want. Unfulfilled expectations create stress. Every time you stressed, the body has a physiological response. Your body tries to protect you. It gives you an extra boost of energy to cope with the challenging situation by releasing adrenaline and cortisol. This helps you to get through the temporary challenging barrier. This biological response served an important purpose in your survival. However, chronic stress can cause you to stuck in a fight and flight response, resulting in exhaustion, tiredness, and unhappiness. Additionally, stress can be caused many chronic diseases. So stress doesn't just affect your mind, it quietly drains your energy, focus, and joy. I struggled with stress by myself for many years. The constant thinking and analyzing and worrying slowly created stress in my life, more emotional tension and mental exhaustion. And in the end of the day, I felt drained and more exhausted. After years of self-development, I eventually found a healthier and more balanced way of living. So today I work as a holistic therapist and integrated healing practitioner, supporting people from variety of life to reduce stress, anxiety, reconnect with themselves, and develop greater clarity, emotional balance, and inner peace. So now you understand why stress develops. I show you what you can do about it. Since you experience stress every time when reality doesn't match your expectations, the real solution for the issue is not to change your environment. Most of the time, we have no direct control on our living circumstance anyway. The key is to shift your inner state by accepting the situation. When you accept what's happening around you, then you are not in resistance anymore. You are flowing with the stream of life. That's the secret. With acceptance, you stop fighting and start living. Without acceptance, you are losing energy. With acceptance, you are regaining your energy and tapping into your hidden potentials. That's the transformation part. You may find difficult to apply this principle in certain life scenarios in the beginning. You may live under stressful circumstances for a long time. If nothing works for you to accept your situation, just start focusing on your breathing. It is so simple. Why? Because you can't think about your problem and focus on your breath at the same time. You change your attention. You are not in the problem, but you are observing it from a different angle. Your perception shifts and you start see things in a different light. More importantly, you start to regain your energy as you step into your power. This will allow you to take responsibility for your own life and to make different decisions. You already have the power within to overcome the challenges that you face. If you start practicing today, in a short period of time, your life will change. You will become more relaxed, more energized, and experience more inner peace and joy. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.